is this person in my mirror? Okay, I swear, this week I'm buying a new liner because the struggle is real every single time. That's Stush for you. Doing the damn thing all the time. I look good, bitch. Stushy and your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. So my returning subscribers, welcome back boo. We're happy to have you guys back to check out our brand new video. So today is Stush-Mas day 5 vlogmas with Stushy, whatever you want to call it. We're going strong. I'm going strong. Give me a big thumbs up right now just for being consistent, for uploading every single day so far. I'm proud of myself. We're only on day 5. We got 25 more days to go, but it's all right. I got this shit in the bag. All right. Alright, let me tone it down because we still got 20 more days to go. Alright, today I will be showing you guys how I got this look. Not necessarily a tutorial, just like basically watching me how I do my face. All the products used today will be listed down below, so be sure to check the description box if you are interested in what I'm using to get this look, to achieve this look. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already checked out Stush-Mas day 4, 3, 2, and 1, make sure that you guys go back and check out the playlist on my channel so that way you can be all caught up. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and join the gang. If you're lurking boo, click that subscribe button. You might as well join the gang. It's about to be 2020 and you're not a part of the gang. What is you doing? Join the gang, okay? And turn on your post notifications to be alerted every single time a Stush-Mas video drops. You don't want to miss a day. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I went ahead and put some tape on the corner of my eyes just to try to get a more precise look, right? So I'm gonna be going in with my Aina palette. You guys know I love this palette. Edges right here and ginger, and I'm gonna be focusing that in my crease and a little bit up further, kind of like use it as a transitional shade. I have work at 3, so it's pretty early, but I need to get a video in. Y'all know I gotta get a video in. Have you guys started to think about what y'all want for Christmas yet? I don't know about y'all, but I think I mentioned before I'm not really getting many people things for this Christmas because y'all are grown. Like, y'all really don't need gifts. Anyway, this is not what Christmas is about, but last year I made a Christmas wish list video, so like whoever was buying me a gift, they could have gotten their ideas from that video. I don't know. I don't really want much this Christmas. I really don't. I just want like a bill paid, maybe my car insurance paid, you know, maybe even an investment in my brand, you know, nothing too crazy, like something light. I don't really want no clothes. I don't want anything like that. Maybe an oil change, you know, things like that would really help me this Christmas. I'm just throwing some hints out there. Nothing too crazy, boo. And today we're going for more of a holiday-ish look, or something that could be worn at the Christmas table or worn to maybe holiday party at work, something. I have a Friendsgiving to go to this Saturday, and I know y'all probably thinking, Friendsgiving, girl, Thanksgiving is done. Well, my friend did just get her very own apartment, so she's doing a Friendsgiving. Understand that, yeah, I might feel like the time has passed. I get it, but I don't know. Better late than never, right? Now I'm going in with Credit in my Anastasia palette, and I'm just gonna focus it on the outer V. Yeah, see that? That's Jackie. And I'm literally just focusing it in my outer V. I know we never really spoke about it, but how was y'all Thanksgiving? I feel like I just jumped right past it, and it's really only because I had work. I had to work on Thanksgiving and Black Friday, so I didn't really have a Thanksgiving. I actually ended up cooking on Sunday after Thanksgiving. And I didn't go crazy. I made some food. Y'all might have, if you follow me on Instagram, and you should be following me on Instagram. If you're a Stush gang, you should be following me on all platforms. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. And I kind of went crazy. Like, your girl could cook. What the hell is this on my neck? Wow. Is this eczema? What the heck? What is this, y'all? This is dry skin. Wow. I have very dry skin, if you guys didn't know. And I didn't realize that this was on my neck. Wow, it looks like I got a damn hickey on my neck, but it's not. It's literally a scab. But yeah, so I chefed up the weekend of Thanksgiving instead of the Thursday, and I made some baked mac and cheese. I made some salmon, some shrimp, some potato salad. I made a pineapple upside down cake, y'all. That shit was banging. If you didn't know, rum is like the staple alcohol in the Caribbean, so we always got rum in my house. So I put some rum on the top after it came out of the oven, after we flipped it upside down, and girl, that shit is still hitting, okay? I have like 2 slices a day. Something serious, y'all. Let me use a more precise brush to try to diffuse the 2 of these. So one of my last videos, I told y'all to drop some ideas for vlogmas, and I feel like a lot of y'all are lurking. Y'all are just lurking and watching videos. I need to see y'all in the comments. Go down in my comments. Go down in the comments for the video and tell me what y'all want for Christmas. And even in a bonus would be for you guys to tell me, give me a video idea, like what do you guys want to see, because I'm making these videos for y'all at the end of the day. So I want to make sure that whatever videos I'm putting out, you guys genuinely want to watch, not just, oh, I'm just here because, you know. Let me know, because we got 20 more days, you know what I'm saying? And like definitely leave a comment down below right now. You could stop, actually I'll stop and see how this, check out how this look is looking, and tell me what you guys want for Christmas and leave a video idea. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And shout outs to y'all for showing me love on that Stush-Mas intro. I really did that last minute, y'all, but I'm happy I did it because I feel like it helps the videos flow a lot more for Vlogmas or for Stush-Mas. That kind of created a base for what I'm about to put on top, which is gonna be a glitter, but I just don't know which one yet. Oh, and another thing that I want for Christmas is this camera for like beauty videos and just sit down videos, because sometimes it's hard staying and focused on my Canon GX7 because she's used to being out and about, you know, not sitting down and being humble. So girl, so now I'm gonna go in with WISHLIST, this shade right here. Nice shimmery red-ish color. You see that? It's kind of like a burnt orange cranberry shade. Can't really put my finger on it, but I really like it. I'm trying to be as precise as possible because I did not cut my crease, and y'all know the struggle for me cutting the crease sometimes. I need to practice, but it's okay. I remember when I was not doing eyeshadow at all, so if any of you guys are like, how do you do this? It's all practice, especially with lashes. I tell y'all all the time, like, my tweezers help a ton, but it's all practice. If you want to excel in something, you have to practice. You have to put in hard work. But y'all knew that already. Y'all knew that already, right? I'm preaching on choir. Get that in there. Get in there. Like, I'm a real cornball. I know y'all be watching me like, what is wrong with this girl? And to be honest, like, we already asked the doctor and he said, like, I'm perfectly normal. So stop wondering, like, what's wrong with me. I'm totally fine. Like, I promise you. Going back and I'm just sweeping it. Right here, right here, right here, right here. And then, ooh, my leg got cramped up. I hate when my foot falls asleep or like a butt cheek falls asleep. Don't look at me like that, because I know this has happened to you before. A butt cheek will fall asleep. You'll be sitting down and one cheek will fall asleep. It's the weirdest thing. Like, how does that happen? Don't even, you know what I'm talking about. Go back in with that, with Credit from the Anastasia palette, and I'm gonna put a little bit more right in the outer V because I feel like I kind of lost it somewhere here. I know y'all see my triggers piercing now. Like, it's complete. It doesn't even hurt anymore. I could push on it and there's barely any pain. It's so crazy how that shit closed. Oh, my speaker just turned off. I got so scared. It's so crazy that it closed already. Like, literally within a day, it went bye-bye. Had enough. Today, I'm over it. I'm gonna use my ColourPop State of Mind palette. I got this like last year sometime. I'm going in with Zero Clue. Am I liking that? I don't know if I like that. Nope, 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 nope. I'm going in with my 25L palette from Morphe. And I'm going to be going in with this shade. Don't mind what's in my mirror. I'm going to be going in with this shade. Y'all see that? Okay. Try to blend it out a little bit. Okay, I don't want to put too much glitter because y'all know my eyes be acting up with my contacts, and girl, I don't got time for that. So I'm going to do my face off camera and I'll be back to finish off the eyes. Alrighty, BRB. Okay guys, I am back and I'm looking at it. It's going to have to work, okay? It's going to have to work. it's gonna have to work. All right, let me draw this wing real quick. As nerve-wracking as it may be, I'm gonna do it on camera. Enjoy this little Christmas instrumental. I really need to buy a new liner because this one is finishing. Okay. All right, let me not get too excited because it's the second one. The first one is usually good. It'd be the second one that be trying you. Okay, I swear this week I'm buying a new liner because the struggle is real every single time. Yay! You better be saying yay too from your computer or your phone, whatever you're watching me on. Yay! We did it on cam. We did it on cam. A lot of times I do it on camera, but I just edit it out. But sometimes the struggle is real. My nose is already sweating. How y'all feeling the look so far? Whew. What lashes do I want to go with today? Let me see. Signature tweezers out. Should I go on with Caprial? Let's see. Ooh, girl. It makes the look. Or should I go on with Stush? Bitch, that does it too. Okay, she's drying off. I think Stush is it. While my lash glue is drying, I'm just gonna line my lips. Maybe I'll fill it in. Why not? I'm going in with this pink MAC lipstick that I got from the Nutcracker collection years ago. Ooh, yummy. That's cute. Yes. The link is in the description box, boo. Get you one. You ready, boo? It's that simple, okay? It's on. I'm just pushing them in. Where are those other whack ass tweezers? I keep telling y'all. Traps mirror, okay? But girl. Boo boo. Boo boo. She's on. That's Stush for you. Doing the damn thing all the time. And if you want, you can use the mirror to fan your glue or dry your lashes some more, but they're ready. Yep. So let me zoom out a little bit and I'm gonna give you guys some slow-mos and we'll call it a wrap.
Just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby.
How do models do? They be like this. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed Stush-Mas Day 5. As you guys can see, I'm not just doing vlogs. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like the look, if you just like the overall video and the content. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already to join the gang. If you guys are already subscribers, then just make sure you go down below and leave a comment. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so that you're alerted when Stush-Mas Day 6 drops. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you... What is going on in my life? I'll be at work like, who is she? Who is this person in my mirror? Oh, security. I look good, bitch. Make sure you get your mirrors. You don't want to miss out on this. Like, you pick it up to apply some lashes, draw your eyebrows. I use this for everything. Who is she?